This week on Jordan Jaunts, our European road trip begins at the Channel Tunnel. Maisie's first trip abroad, but how easy is it?
Bon voyage, Mr. Jordan.
Oh, brilliant. Thank goodness we picked the Eurotunnel rather than a boat, because the boat would be off.
That's the pay at reception. This is all fun and games. Let's see how this goes.
There's Maisie. Maisie's delighted to go to the pet reception. Good girl, Maisie.
Okay, oh. This is so exciting.
Hello. Hiya.
Been the name Jordan?
Jordan,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah, can we start Maisie, please?
Yeah. Her, yeah.
There you go.
Okay.
See? Good girl.
That's great, thank you. That's brilliant, thanks so
Fabulous,
much.
thanks so much,
you.
cheers,
Thank
bye.
you, bye, bye.
How easy is that?
That was really easy. What a great system. That was really
Absolutely
easy,
smashing, wasn't it?
what a great system. And it's, if you look, there are lots of dogs. It's really busy as well. So we've only got 10 minutes, then back in the car and we have to head round. So
Perfect.
great start.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, cheers.
Perfect, thanks.
Thank you, take care, bye. Thank you very much, cheers.
Bye.
Thank you. So it's us heading in to France. You'll hit my head there, Nicola.
I know it felt signposted and
It's just got quiet today, doesn't it?
seems super quiet.
So we're just sitting here waiting to go on to Le Shuttle. We're just remarking in the trains, they look a wee bit like something out of Alton Towers, the colour of them. I think they look as though I've seen better days, but I'm sure it's just the look. But the Channel Tunnel has been open since 1994. Over 30 years, that is quite something. But it's, for me, the best way to get yourself to Calais. 35 minutes and so straightforward. And even if you're stuck in traffic, that is that hour's grace that you can get yourself put onto the next train, which is fantastic. It's a great customer service. And Maisie, it couldn't have been easier to take your pet abroad. So wow, well done Le Shuttle, it's been an absolute amazing experience so far, and let's get ourselves on and we'll take you on with us. That's us on board. Such a great process. We're upstairs today. The good news is Nicola's driving. I'm just going to get myself off to the champagne bar, looking forward to it, and then nip back in 35 minutes, so I'm sure I'll be able to get a few in. What are you going to do, Nicola?
I'll wait here and enjoy you looking for the champagne bar on this.
Maisie, what about you? What are you up to, darling? Maisie's like champagne, love it. Anyway, that was obviously just a fabrication. There's no champagne bar, there's nothing on board at all, but what there is a toilet, which is always needed when you're travelling, so that's perfect. And it seems to be something I've definitely needed in this travel. It must just be to do with getting older, but there's been a few moments when I think it's our first London traffic, get out, say Nicola, you need to drive to have one into a pub. Anyway, it is what it is. I'm nearly 55 to be fair. But what a cracking vehicle to use to get to France and beyond.
So if you want to see where we end up next and where we end up tonight, please subscribe. You'll get to follow along with us on the journey, and until then, we'll see you in France. Oh my goodness, nearly got lost and I haven't been to the toilet yet.
So that's us sticking to the right and on French soil, so enjoy this magical journey that we are doing for the next 4 to 5 weeks. We've not exactly tied everything down yet, but it will be fun, it will be adventurous, it will have plenty of moments when we go, that didn't quite work out right, but that's all in the fun.
bienvenue. Bienvenue en France.
Parlez-vous français? Oui. Bonsoir.